Last summer I did a whole series answering your sunscreen questions, and one of the videos I did was on sunscreen pills, as in pills to take for added sun protection. One brand I mentioned was Heliocare. Actually, the parent brand is Cantabria Labs, a pharmaceutical company, and Heliocare is their sun protection line, featuring the photo protection capsules as well as different actual sunscreens. As I had never tried anything from the line, just voiced my problem with the capsules, I figured it was only fair to test an actual product. Meet the Heliocare 360-degree Water Gel Sunscreen SPF 50. Hi, I'm Dr. Anne. I'm a medical doctor with a passion for skincare that works. On this channel we explore the science behind skin and do quick reviews so you learn to pick exactly those products that work for your individual skin concern. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing and ring the notification bell. What the Heliocare 360-degree Water Gel Sunscreen claims. Its ultralight, non-comedogenic aqueous formula is quickly absorbed, leaving the skin hydrated and maintaining comfort during sun exposure. Its slow-release hydrating system keeps the skin hydrated from application and over time. Its characteristics allow comfortable use and daily application. It is water-resistant and does not irritate the eyes. Can be used on all skin types, even sensitive. After a long time using only the cosmetically elegant Korean sunscreens, I have to say that this one feels and smells like sunscreen when you get it out of the tube. There is no confusing it with a lightweight moisturizer, but to be honest, after the whole sunscreen gate, that was kind of reassuring for me. How to use the Heliocare 360 Water Gel. Before using it, you shake it up. As it is a sunscreen, you apply it in the mornings as last step in your skincare routine and before makeup. What is crucial in order to get the claimed protection is that you apply enough of it. I like the 3 fingers method for measuring, but be careful, this sunscreen is runny. 3 fingers are enough for my face, behind the ears and part of my neck. I either have a really large head or, the likely explanation, really short fingers, as 3 fingers should usually be enough for your whole neck. As you can see, there is a faint initial white cast that quickly disappears and a very dewy finish upon application. But what is fascinating is that the water gel dries down to an almost powdery feel and looks just like skin. If the white cast is more of a problem on someone with darker skin, I can't say, but as it disappears when you massage it in, I think it should be fine. If you can share more on the topic, please do so and I will pin the comment. Heliocare 360-degree Water Gel Sunscreen ingredients. It combines different older filters like octocrylene, avobenzone and octisalat with newer ones like ensolizone, great for light formulations, uvinul A+, uvinul T150, tinosorb A2B, and a bunch of humectants and antioxidants. The filter octocrylene and the added perfume along with linalool and limonene might be troublesome for very sensitive skins, but I had no issues. Final thoughts on the Heliocare 360-degree Water Gel Sunscreen. I am impressed with this product and it has overtaken the Roche Posay Shaka Fluid in water resistant as my favorite outdoor summer beach sunscreen. Not that I had much beach or outdoors this year, but you know, I have been daydreaming about being on a holiday and this one always made its way into my daydream beach bag. I can see oily skins falling head over heels for it due to the texture once it has settled on the skin. When it was a little colder, I had to wear a moisturizer underneath, which rarely happens to me. So I'm not 100% convinced of the hydrating powers, but as a sunscreen, this is chef's kiss. They also do a tinted version that comes highly recommended, so I might end up purchasing one of these to try soon. Have you tried this sunscreen? If yes, please share your experience in the comments below. I'm going to link to more videos on the screen now that I think you might enjoy, and I'm on to see you all very soon with another one. Bye!